Hi, fourth grade. Welcome to week 3 of virtual learning. Last week, you were asked to do lunchtime doodles with Mo, and I know that some of you had given me some feedback and felt that you were kind of confused. You weren't really sure what was expected of you, which doodles to do. I realized that he kind of talked quite a lot. I think he is just excited to share all about what it's like to be an illustrator of children's books. So, he was in his studio and he was sharing a lot of his drafts and his sketchbooks and where he keeps them. But I do understand that he kind of maybe talked a lot, and I had hoped that you would be drawing some characters and creating a story. So then I decided that we would do, or I would do my own doodles, but doodles with Bitmoji. So that's my Bitmoji there, and we're going to get started with some doodles. Step 1 is just very, very simple. All I'm asking you to do is to draw a circle on your paper. Step 2 is to draw a head around that circle. Create the little ears and the pointy horns on the top. Step 3 is to draw the body and just a little bit of the leg. Step 4 is to draw the rest of the body and the other leg, the other parts of the leg, and to add some teeth sticking out of his little smiley face there. Step 5 is to draw the tail, a little hand on the part of his body there, and a little part of the arm that's sticking off the left side of his body, and then do some smaller teeth in between the bigger teeth. Step 6 is to draw the end of the tail, finish the other hand, and then add any other details that you'd like. Once you've finished and maybe you've colored your doodle, Step 7 is to give your character a name, and I'd like for you to identify 3 character traits that this character has. Thanks for watching Doodles with Bitmoji, and I look forward to seeing your doodles, and we will start using those doodles to put together with your character traits to create a story. That's our project for this week. Take care. See you next time on Doodles with Bitmoji.